Hey everyone, here's my 1972 FJ55 Toyota Landcruiser. It's pretty good shape, but these headlights are so dull, you barely see anything. So I ordered a new pair of headlights and a lot higher, a lot brighter. Hopefully they'll come soon and we'll install them. Let me turn the lights on now as a reference. There they are against the back wall. It is the middle of the day. But you can see them here. Barely see down the road with these. Here's a cool package I just got for my 72 Landcruiser. It's Toyota original parts. I got it from Cruz Brothers, and it's to make the headlights a lot brighter. So they're the new wiring harnesses right there. Looks like a lot of wire there. Zip ties, a lot of those. Cruz Brothers. Oh, I like that sticker. There are the headlights. And then that's it. Second headlight. Oh, I'm excited to get these in. First, we're going to take out this screw, that screw, and then there's a clip right at the bottom. You have to unclip it off of. Right there. Then just loosen up these screws here, 2, 3, and then rotate that ring a little bit clockwise. Then this metal rim comes off. Unplug the headlight, pull it out, put the new one in, and that's the headlight side of things. You can see the old and the new together there. There's the old one kind of rounded or domed out like a sphere. And then that new one's flat. Make sure before you do anything on this project, you disconnect the battery and the light switches are all off. All right. Okay, so what I have here, there's a new headlight, and then that one's plugged in. This long wire goes down under the radiator above the frame over to here. Then on this side, I have plugged into the headlight right there. And then the old headlight plugs into the other one. It's a fair bit of wire, excess wire kind of tucked under there. The relays I just have mounted right here for now. So there are the relays. And then the only thing left is, let's see, these two right here, and these go right to the battery terminals. So let's hook those up to the battery terminals, turn these headlights on, see where we are. All right, I think I'm all in. Hooked up to my battery terminals and relays. I don't have the wire too well bundled, but it's out of the way. You turn it on and see. There's the switch there. Look at that. These look pretty bright. A lot different. That was a great. Start the car up and we'll see.